You guys, what's up? So it's me. So today we are gonna make. I'm gonna show you guys how to make your own homemade ornament. It's pretty simple, but it's not like hard and stuff. So first you're gonna need like a paper. Don't ask why about all this stuff that got printed. And then you're gonna need some string. Then some scissors. And then a hole puncher. So don't forget, you can also pause whenever you want. So you're gonna cut the. Sorry. You're gonna put the paper on the edges, try to get as close as you can. And also, since I don't, because then you're gonna have to restart the entire ornament. Sorry about all the sound in the background. But if you're okay with it. Okay. So at the top here, I'm going to do something pretty strange, but this is where the string is going to come in. If you don't want to do if you're going to do like a king's one, you don't, and you don't want to do these parts, just skip them. I mean, that's what I'm going to do. Just going to go on top. Okay, so once you're pretty much in, you want to make a little bit of a half oval on top, like this. Once you got that done, you can just keep going. There, now I'm done. Your oval don't have to be in the middle or something. It doesn't really matter. So okay, now you're gonna use the hole puncher. You're gonna get it under. Then you should have a hole. You're gonna take the string. Now this next part, the string part's easy, to put it in, but the next part, not so easy. You're gonna have to put the string through the hole, and then you're gonna, if you know how to tie a knot, then you could do this part, but I don't, so you're gonna just ask a parent, so it's easier. Okay, got my string out. It's okay if it's long. Just cut the part. You guys want to meet one of our cats? I'm gonna show it to you. Nope. Let's say hi to the camera. You said hi. Okay, you can go down. Oh, he's on the table. Oh, sorry about the camera. Loosed. Oh my god. So, I'm just gonna be back for a little second. I just gotta go ask my mom to tie it. Don't ask what. What is that supposed to be? So she's gonna be done in a second. See, this is how it should look if like you did a long string, and then right here, the long part, like the part that was already like you wanna, if you can see right here, this is where. Okay. So the part that has the most string, you want to cut that on the top of the knot. If you don't, then it's going to end up looking, it's going to be like cut apart. And then you can't even put it on your Christmas tree, if you even have a Christmas tree. It might take a few cuts to get this hard sometimes. What? Oh my god. Try your best on trying to get this on cutting. Like, just, it's really hard. Oh, and also, by the way, you can also make this a gift for somebody. I'm making this for my teacher. It just felt fun. Okay. So, this is what it should look like. At the end. See you later. Like and subscribe.